He's 3 weeks from being 2. Look at that boy.
Shoot.
Shoot, scoot. Shoot up.
Oh, stand back a little bit. That's cheating.
It's too easy.
Stand
I'll
back.
raise it up if you can do it close.
Oh, you heard me say scoot, didn't you?
I did it high. Shoot it up there.
Shoot it up there. Oh, nice. Back up. Coleman, how old are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're 6? Wow.
Hi.
High hoop. High hoop. Yeah. Shoot it up in the high hoop. You gotta sit here, Meg. You gotta sit so you can rebound.
Mama's got the rebounds.
Yep.